Space is vast. It is a canvas of unimaginable scale, painted with swirling galaxies, shimmering nebulas, and the fiery brilliance of distant stars. Our home, the Milky Way galaxy, is but one of billions upon billions of such islands of stars, adrift in the cosmic ocean. And within these galaxies, events of incredible power unfold every second. Stars are born, they live out their luminous lives, and they die, sometimes in spectacular explosions that briefly outshine entire galaxies. These cosmic events are a testament to the raw power of the universe, a power that can both inspire awe and instill a sense of humbling insignificance. We, bound to our tiny planet, are mere witnesses to these events, catching fleeting glimpses of their grandeur across vast gulfs of space and time. And yet, we strive to understand them, to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos and our place within it. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, some events stand out for their sheer scale and energy. In 2020, astronomers stumbled upon evidence of one such event, an explosion of unprecedented magnitude in a distant galaxy cluster named Ophiuchus. This discovery sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community, for it offered a glimpse into the most energetic events the universe has ever produced. The discovery of this cosmic explosion was not a sudden revelation, but rather a careful detective story, pieced together from subtle clues hidden in the faint glow of distant galaxies. Astronomers using X-ray telescopes to observe the Ophiuchus galaxy cluster noticed something peculiar. The cluster, like many others, is filled with a thin, hot gas that emits X-rays. This gas, heated to millions of degrees, is a telltale sign of the intense gravitational forces at play within these massive structures. However, in the case of Ophiuchus, the X-ray observations revealed a strange anomaly. There was a curious dent in the X-ray emission, a region where the gas seemed to be less dense, as if something had pushed it aside. This cavity, spanning an unfathomable size, hinted at an event of extraordinary power, something capable of carving out a void in the heart of a galaxy cluster. Initially, astronomers were hesitant to jump to conclusions. Could this cavity be explained by some unknown astrophysical phenomenon, or was it truly the aftermath of a colossal explosion? The answer, when it finally came, was both surprising and awe-inspiring. The sheer size of the cavity in the Ophiuchus galaxy cluster pointed towards an event unlike anything astronomers had witnessed before. It was simply too large, too energetic to be explained by any conventional stellar explosion such as a supernova. The energy required to create such a void dwarfed the output of even the most powerful supernova, leaving scientists to consider more exotic possibilities. To put the scale of this explosion into perspective, imagine the energy released by the sun over its entire lifetime, which is about 10 billion years. Now, multiply that energy by 1 billion, and then multiply it again by 1,000. That staggering amount of energy is still just a fraction of what was unleashed in the Ophiuchus explosion. The only known objects in the universe capable of generating such mind-boggling energies are supermassive black holes, the gravitational behemoths that lurk at the hearts of most galaxies. But even for a supermassive black hole, this was an eruption of unprecedented scale, an event that challenged our understanding of these cosmic titans. Supermassive black holes are regions of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. They are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives, creating objects of unimaginable density. These gravitational behemoths can grow to billions of times the mass of our sun, lurking at the centers of galaxies and influencing the evolution of their surroundings. While black holes themselves are invisible, their presence can be inferred by their effects on surrounding matter. As gas and dust fall towards a black hole, they are heated to extreme temperatures, emitting intense radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum. This radiation can be detected by telescopes on Earth and in space, allowing astronomers to study these enigmatic objects. In the case of the Ophiuchus explosion, astronomers believe that a supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy cluster erupted with a burst of energy so powerful that it carved out the observed cavity in the surrounding gas. This eruption, likely triggered by a sudden influx of matter falling into the black hole, released jets of high-energy particles that blasted through the cluster, pushing aside the hot gas and creating the observed void.